Good morning and welcome to Psycho Spiritual Awakening. Today we are going to reflect on forgiveness, a pill for every ill. If forgiveness is one chosen path, one is bound to become a person of immense worth. For a man with no forgiveness in heart, life is more worse punishment than death. Forgiveness is almost a selfish act because of its immense benefit to one who forgives. With the wings of love and forgiveness, the angel of peace is bound to be on the move everywhere. Forgiveness is a pill for every ill. Forgiveness can be defined as a decision to crush all ill feeling we harbor against others. Forgiveness is not an occasional act, it is a constant attitude. To err is human, to forgive is divine. Forgiveness is love and God's commandment. He who forgives becomes worthy of God's illuminating presence. Humanity is never so beautiful as when praying for forgiveness or else forgiving others. Willingness to forgive is emotional maturity. Willingness to forgive is bound to give us the needed wings to fly to great heights of peace, joy, success, and tranquility. Jesus quietly suffered to please the Heavenly Father with the act of costly obedience and forgiving others. Forgiveness is the process of dropping off your emotional baggage. Many promising reconciliations have broken down because while both parties come prepared to forgive, neither party comes prepared to be forgiven. Forgiveness is a choice between choosing the wings of freedom and getting tied to the chains of bitterness. Forgiveness is what you do for yourself, not for other people. It is surely better to pardon too much than condemn too much. Listening connects us to heal the hurt we carry. We can make a world of difference for one another by listening, which will lead to forgiveness. I choose to create joy in my life, whatever my external circumstances. I choose to see all the life through joyful eyes and find forgiving eyes. We can't choose our external circumstances, but we can always choose how to respond to it. To the degree you are a wise man and love correction, God will show more truth. Humble yourself like Solomon and be wise. Forgive like the King David. Life is 10% of what happens to you and 90% how you react to it. With lot of love and forgiving attitude, kindly recite the Lord's Prayer, Our Father, and meditate on Psalm 51. Learn to forgive every day. Forgive you, forgive others, and receive forgiveness. God is willing to forgive, provided we are willing to forgive others. Others are willing to forgive, provided we approach them to get forgiveness. We are also willing to forgive, provided we die of our ego and have a heart of humility. Pray to Jesus. Jesus, meek and humble of heart, make my heart like unto yours. Often say this ejaculatory prayer and often remember the last word Jesus uttered, Lord, forgive them for they do not know what they are doing. Even at the cross, in pain and in the moment of death, he was able to forgive. Let's practice this act of forgiveness in our day-to-day life so that we'll be able to live a joyful, peaceful, and serene life. May God bless you in the path of forgiveness. Inspiration ripples. Thank you very much.
மெய்ப்பனும் செய்தி நிறைவாக்கும் இறைவாக்கு.